welcome again to a new chapter of Jose Carlos Photography. Today we will show some off-camera flash on outdoor environment. We're going to use two different techniques. The first one is a regular flash with shutter speed of 1/200, and the second technique is off-camera flash with this Godox right here, high-speed synchrony, high-speed sync. So we will try both. We will see the difference between high-speed sync and the regular one with this Neewer right here. When we work off-camera flash, we can do a lot of things, more liberty to make, to create. But the most important thing about this is first, you can do everything you want about the exposure on the environment, on the background, and your light, your main line is, in this case, the flash. It will give you the right exposure on the subject, so you can create a lot of moody pictures, dark background pictures, very popular right now in this moment. So let's start with the photography, and hope you like it, people. Wow. Hello, we're here with Marie, and we're gonna try today some off-camera flash picture with these two right here. So I hope you like it. Bye. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Please remember subscribe. Remember activate the notification. Happy weekend. Happy week. See you on the next week, people.